Dapat ang assault is 1 o'clock nung Saturday. But dinifer namin in deference to the bar. May klase kasi may bar ops kasi ang JMC. Next morning, sabi ko, nakita na nila, nagtatanong, bakit ang daming pulis? O, ito na. Meron kaming naka-recording. Narinig nila yon. Mga taga-KOGC, hahanapin na namin si Pastor Kibuloy our way. Because for 2 weeks, it's always your way.
Nasa kote na eh. Uli na eh. No? I mean, for me, it makes no difference kung sumuko ka man. No? Kasi yun na yun eh. Practically, napaligiran ka na eh. Kung nasa Visayas ka, nasa Luzon ka, yun, pwede pa sabihin mong sumuko. Pero kung nasa isang lugar ka na napapaligiran ka na ng pulis at doon ka rin nakuha, halos yun na yun eh.
Kwentong kutsero yun. Alam niyo kung bakit? Nasa labas ka na, di tumakas ka na. Ang tagal yung sinasabing, hindi siya magpapahuli, hindi ba? Okay, pangalawa, nasa loob ka na, papasok ka pa ulit, dito ka na magsumurrender kung nasaan ka man.
Ang nangyayari doon sa loob, hindi kami pinapayagan. Hindi kami pwedeng pumasok sa mga ibang lugar. Then we have to, kung malapit na kami doon sa lugar, tatawag na naman yung attorney niya na sasabihin, sige, magsusurrender, may surrender filler. Up to the time talaga, paulit-ulit yan. And they file a case.
Someone should be guilty of obstruction of justice for harboring, concealing, someone who is wanted by law through this warrant.
I have to commend our PNP. This is police work at its best. This is what the PNP can do. But again, there is no special treatment. Although he's a very prominent person, we will go through the process. The process will be transparent. Everyone who is involved will be accountable.